2 a.m. and I do it again. Thumb hovering over your name. One voicemail saved from way back then. I swore I'd delete it, it never came. The screen light dies, but I stay awake. I press play before I think it through. 31 seconds is all it takes to put me right back in the room with you. I know I should be done by now. I know I should be done by now, but your voice is the only warmth I can't cut out. I saved your voice like I saved the light, the kind of thing that gets you through the night. One more play, one more time. I close my eyes and you're still mine. I saved your voice, still yours, still yours, still yours. You said my name like you meant every sound. So easy like breathing like I was yours. I'm back in that kitchen, feet on the ground. The light coming from under the door. I've told them all that I'm doing just fine, and most of the time I believe it too. But 2 a.m. draws a different line, and 31 seconds brings back you. I know I should be over this, I know I should be over this, but your voice is the last thing I still can't miss. I saved your voice like I saved a light, the kind of thing that gets you through the night. One more play, one more time. I close my eyes and you're still mine. I saved your voice. That's what remains. 1,000 replays and I still break down. You laughed at something, I'll forget the name, but I'd give anything to have you around. 31 seconds on repeat, the closest